Hi guys, this is Go for Agriculture channel. Today we are going to discuss Arun Katyan chapter 9, that is seed technology. The first question is, a living organ of crop that is present in rudimentary form is called seed. So this is also known as any part of the crop from which a new crop will grow, that is called seed. Next question. 4 essential factors for germination of seeds are, this is very important. First one moisture, second one temperature, third one O2 supply, that is the air, then fourth one is capacity of seed to germinate. Next one, field germination is always less than seed germination. It is tested in laboratory. Next one, weight of 100 seeds is called seed index. So if weight of 1000 seeds is measured, then it is called test weight. Next one, real value of seed. This is measured in many cases. Formula is purity percentage into germination percentage divided by 100. So if real value of seed is 70% less, or we can say the real value of seed is less than 70%, then the seed is not preferred. If it is more than 70%, then it is preferred. Impurity percentage is also called dockage. So here is the impurity percentage formula. Weight of impurities in bulk divided by weight of bulk into 100. So if we come to purity percentage, then the formula is weight of pure seed divided by weight of bulk seed into 100. Here bulk seed refers to seed plus impurities. Next one, a specific distance where acceptable contamination accepted is called isolation distance. So isolation means to keep apart, that we can say to kept apart. So it is a specific distance from potential contaminants so that we can avoid genetic and physical impurities. This is called isolation distance. Next one, a seed that is made directly under the supervision of plant breeder is called breeder seed or nucleus seed. So this is very high genetic value and it is costly, so it is available very little in quantity. Next one, foundation seed is also called mother seed. So foundation seed is produced from breeder seed either directly or through registered seed, but it is known as mother seed because it is a source of all other certified seeds. So this production of foundation seed is responsibility of National Seed Corporation. So white tag denotes foundation seed. Next one, purple tag denotes registered seed. So registered seed is produced from foundation seed, or we can say it is produced from registered seed itself, and it has a satisfactory genetic identity, but it is often omitted, and certified seed is produced directly from foundation seed. So registered seed is omitted, but it has given a purple tag. Next one, blue tag denotes certified seed. So it has satisfactory genetic identity and purity, and it is certified by state seed certifying agency, that is a state having seed certification, that agency will certify this. So blue tag denotes certified seed. Next one, the capacity of seed to remain capable of germination is seed viability. So seed viability means seed capability to remain capable of germination for specific period of time. So to keep seed viable, or we can say to measure the seed is viable or not, these tests are conducted. First one, respiration test, that is we can say indication of life. Next one, electrical conductance method. Next one, potassium permanganate method, this is a qualitative test. Next one, tetraazolium chloride test. This is the one of the method that is used in ICAR. So this is also known as biological test. So here seeds are soaked in 0.5 to 2% solution of triphenyl tetraazolium chloride, so that we can say that whether the seed is viable or not. Next one is Grodux test. It is a seed germination indicator. So thanks for watching this video. If you want more and more video, then subscribe our channel Go for Agriculture. If you want PPT, then download from our Telegram channel Go for Agriculture. Till then, stay tuned.